Hi everyone, here we've got OnePlus 8T and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example in messages, it doesn't really matter. And as you can see here, we've got the settings icon, so let's tap on it. Now let's choose the languages, and as you can see here, we've got the list of previously applied languages. We've got English and Russian. In order to add new one, just tap on Add Keyboard. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose, so we've got a lot of options to choose from. Let me pick something, for example Assyrian. Let's choose the region if you have options, tap on Done, and as you can see, it immediately appears on our list. Now let's get back to the keyboard, and as you can see here, we've got the globe icon, and also on the spacebar we've got the name of the language we're currently using. So now I am typing English. After tapping on the globe icon, I can switch to the Russian, and after tapping again, I can switch to Assyrian, as you can see. In the same situation, just tap again, and we are tapping English. Now let me show you how to remove the language. Just tap on the settings icon again, tap on languages, and tap on this edit icon, on this pencil icon. And now we have to tap on the language we want to remove, so in my case it will be Assyrian and Russian, and tap on this trash bin icon. As you can see, they immediately disappear. Let's get back to the keyboard, and here we've got the empty spacebar, and we've got no globe icon, so it means that we can only type in English. So that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your OnePlus 8T. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.